Can you calculate bank interest in seconds? Today, we will master simple interest with easy tricks of Rashtriya Military School Common Entrance Test Math. Hello students, welcome to CBSE TechTalks. In this video, we will learn simple interest in the easiest way. So let's start with. So first thing is what is simple interest? It is nothing but the interest paid on borrowed money. It means you have borrowed some money and you have to pay interest on that. And the formula for simple interest equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. We will go with all the terminologies PRT in the coming slides. So first of all, what exactly is a principal? Principal is the original amount borrowed or invested, and it is represented by P. P may be capital or may be small, but generally in the books it is mentioned in capital form. Next is rate of interest. It is the interest charge per year. How much amount will be charged from the borrower for 1 year, that is rate of interest. It is represented by R percentage. For example, 5% per annum. So for a year, if you have borrowed some amount, it will charge 5% as an interest. Next one is time. Time period for which money is borrowed. So for how much duration you have borrowed the money, that is T. It is represented by T and measured in years. It may be monthly, quarterly, so the formula will change, but the formula P into R into T upon 100 is basically for one complete tenure. Now there is one more term which is amount. So amount is nothing but the principal borrowed and the interest paid. So it will be total of principal borrowed and interest paid, and it is denoted by letter A, and formula is amount equals to principal plus SI. I hope it is clear. All the formulas are clear to you. Now let's do one example. Simple interest formula. We know that SI equals to P into R into T. Just now I told you in the previous slide. Suppose the amount taken, or you can say principal borrowed, is 1000. Rate of interest is 500 and time taken is 2 years. So we know the formula is we have already mentioned here. P SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula. So straight away put the value. So principal is what? 1000 rupees. Rate is 5 upon 100. We have already done in the percentage chapter, and time is 2. And this 100 is nothing but for the percentage here only. So you can cut 2 zeros with here 2 zeros, and the answer is 10 into 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10, and 10 into 10 is what? SI equals to 100. If you have to calculate amount here, so amount will become P plus SI. That will be what? 1000 plus 100. So it will become what? 1100, or you can say 1100. I hope it is clear. Let's move to next. If the interest is half yearly, if the rate of interest is half yearly, what happens? Time will become double and the rate will become half. So if it is mentioned rate 10 year per annum, okay, 10% per annum, but it is charged half yearly. So that way we go with. Next is, even we may have quarterly interest also. If rate is quarterly, time becomes 4 times, because in a year there are 4 quarters, and rate become 1/4. So if it is already mentioned 5% per quarter, that is secondary. Otherwise it is mentioned 5% per annum. So you will be reducing the time and you will be going with the increase of values. If it is mentioned monthly interest, so rate is monthly, so time will become what? Because every month interest is taken and there are 12 months in a year, so time becomes 12 time and rate becomes 1/12. I hope it is clear to all. There are some important tricks which you should be aware of. Amount equals to principal plus simple interest. Interest increases with the time. It can't decrease. Interest has to be paid. It can't be in negative. Higher rate gives higher simple interest. If rate is high, you will be getting, you can say, more interest. Let's take the practical questions. Find SI on 2000 at 5% for 2 years. Okay, let's do it. So it is, a question is given, we have to find out, let me calculate for you. Okay, so in this case we have to find out SI equals to, we know the formula SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula. Now here time principal is 2000, rate is 5 and time is 2 years. So upon 100. Two zeros with two zeros, 20, and this is 5 to the 10. 10 into 20 will be what? It will become 200. So this is rupees. Second question, this is for first one, and for second one, SI, if SI equals to 300 and principal equals to 1500, so we have to find out amount. So we know that amount equals to what? Principal plus SI, very simple. So principal is 1500 given to you and SI is given 300, so you have to find out amount. So amount, need for amount we need to add principal and SI. So 1500 plus 300 will be 1800. So 1800 is amount. I hope it is clear. These are some of the exam tips. Learn formulas carefully, write units properly, and you have to practice daily. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to CBSE Tech Talks for more such videos. In the next video, I will be coming with previous year questions of topic simple interest. So don't forget to watch next video, that will be on the next Wednesday. Students, one more thing I want to tell you people, the videos for RMS is put every Wednesday, and for Sunday I am putting for computers for grade 11th and 12th. So every Wednesday you watch the video. Okay, see you in the next video.